Navigating the city with ease. That's what today's video is all about. Whether you're catching a bus, cruising through the park, or maneuvering crowded sidewalks, you need a mobility scooter that's compact, powerful, and built for the urban lifestyle. First up, we have the Triaxe Sport 3-wheel folding scooter by Enhanced Mobility. The ultimate blend of portability and performance. Weighing just 55 pounds and folding in seconds, it's ideal for tossing into a car trunk or taking on public transportation. But don't let the size fool you. With a travel range of up to 35 miles and a top speed of 12 miles per hour, this scooter gives you freedom without compromise. Next, the Golden Buzzaround EX Extreme 3-wheel scooter by Golden Technologies. This model is perfect for longer city outings thanks to its extended battery life and powerful motor. With front and rear suspension, it handles city bumps and cracks like a champ. And it disassembles easily, so you're never stuck in one spot. And finally, the Pride REVO 2.0 3-wheel scooter, a rugged, reliable city cruiser. It combines the comfort of a full-size scooter with the portability of a travel model. The REVO's tight turning radius and built-in under-seat storage make it a perfect choice for errands or a day out in the city. Each of these scooters offers something unique, whether you value portability, comfort, or long range. But they all have one thing in common: they're made for city living. If you want to learn more or test ride one of these scooters, visit us at AutoMobilityStore.com or stop by our showroom in Austin, Texas. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mobility tips, reviews, and guides.